Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best knitting looms is probably one of the most versatile and accessible ways to create beautiful knitted fabrics, perfect for everyone from beginners seeking a relaxing craft to experienced knitters looking for a faster, more efficient method. This video will take you through the top picks on the market, comparing features, ease of use, and overall value to help you find the perfect loom for your skill level and project ideas. We will cover different types of looms, materials, and sizes to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. READAEER Round Knitting Loom Set. It's made of durable, smooth ABS plastic. Lightweight and comfortable to use for hours. This kit comes with 4 different sized looms, a hook, a yarn needle, and pom-pom makers. Everything you need to get started. With diameters of 5, 7, 9, and 11 inches, you can create various sized projects. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced knitters. Quickly and easily make scarves, hats, and more. Create wonderful personalized gifts, keepsakes, or giveaways with your handmade projects. Get creative and make unique items with this versatile knitting loom set. Unleash your inner knitter. What we like. It's lightweight and portable, making it perfect for on-the-go crafting. The various sizes included mean you can tackle a wide range of projects. If you're a beginner or looking for convenience, this is the loom for you. What people say. But these round hand-held looms have made me a successful knitter-crocheter. I can now make a wearable knit cap. I especially like that all the pegs were glued in place for added strength. It has been many years since I've seen such great quality. I find I like this technique for a quick knit-in-the-round project. You have to use bulkier yarn or multiple strands, so the hat is thick and warm, more suitable for Alaska than Texas, where my new grandbaby will be. It will be great for a teddy bear later. The design of the pegs is easy to work with. Number 4. Flexee Loom Links Knitting Board. It's a revolutionary knitting loom with flexible links that snap together. Create custom-sized looms for any project, big or small. Make hats, scarves, or even blankets. The possibilities are endless with this innovative knitting system. You control the size. Build a small loom for a cozy hat or a large one for a generous blanket. It's all up to you. This kit includes 48 links, easy-to-follow instructions, and even 3 project ideas to get you started. A handy knitting hook is also included. It's incredibly portable and perfect for beginners. Learn to knit with ease and take it anywhere. Buy more sets to create even larger projects. The possibilities are truly limitless. What we like. It allows you to create a loom of any size, giving you complete control over your projects. Its compact design makes it easy to take anywhere. If you value versatility and portability, this is the perfect choice. What people say. I love the flexibility of being able to make a loom whatever size I need for a project instead of needing to find the right size loom for different projects. It's convenient and takes up less storage space than a collection of loom sets would. These are surprisingly strong. Love the stitch size and definition. A number 3 weight yarn works up beautifully. Several pegs can hold their shape in a straight line at a time, so you can make even stitches before straightening a few more pegs for the next section of stitches to be knit. Love the versatility. I can reduce the stitches for a crown of a hat. Or increase pegs for other projects. Makes knitting lace bamboo yarn wonderful, especially when you have a project that is on a limited time schedule. You can fold it up and take it with you so easily. No hard loom that is cumbersome, and if you need a circle, well, it's easy to do. Number 3. His and Her Sock Looms. Introducing our high-quality sock looms, perfect for crafting unique socks and small projects. They're designed for both small and large adult sizes, making them incredibly versatile. These fine-gauge looms provide precision and control for your knitting. The smooth, high-grade plastic makes working with yarn easy and enjoyable. This convenient pack includes 2 looms with different peg counts, 56 and 64 pegs, to accommodate various sock sizes and patterns. Everything you need to get started is included. Besides the looms, you'll receive a handy knitting hook tool and easy-to-follow instructions. Whether you're a seasoned knitter or just starting out, it's the perfect tool to create beautiful, custom-fit socks. The instructions make it simple to learn. With 2 different sizes, it's perfect for creating socks for everyone. Enjoy the ease and satisfaction of creating your own unique socks. What we like. This loom is specifically designed for creating socks, with a fine gauge ideal for detailed work. The 2 included looms offer different sizes for various sock projects. If you love knitting socks, this is a must-have. What people say. The size is perfect for most average feet width-wise. Super easy to use. Good sizes, very durable, easy instructions, easy to use. It is made of plastic but seems well made and durable. The size is correct to make adult socks, that is why I purchased it. That I tested the pegs and pulled hard on them to make sure it was durable. Solve others thought that they might be breakable. That I like the design and I would recommend this loom. Number 2. Mira Handcrafts Knitting Loom Kit. Get ready to explore your creativity with this complete knitting loom kit. It has everything you need to start your knitting journey. This kit includes 4 looms in various sizes, perfect for working with different yarn weights and creating various projects. Create adorable pom-poms to add a unique touch to your knitted creations. 4 different sized pom-pom makers are included for variety. Along with the looms and pom-pom makers, you'll find 3 plastic needles and a soft grip hook, everything you need to get started. Don't worry if you're a beginner, this kit comes with a comprehensive, step-by-step guide with photos to help you through each step. It's the ideal kit for creating hats, scarves, booties, and so much more. Easy to use, no matter your skill level. This kit makes a fantastic gift for any occasion, birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's sure to delight any knitter. We're dedicated to providing you with high-quality products and exceptional customer service. Your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like. It comes with everything you need to get started, including looms suitable for bulky yarn. The clear instructions make it simple for beginners to learn. If you're looking for a comprehensive and easy-to-use kit, this is it. What people say. I have used these type of looms for years to make hats and scarves, and they turn out great. Worth the money. I made many hats, scarves, cowls, and bags with these nifty knitter clones. I dropped them, but they didn't break. The pegs are removable but don't fall out. If your loom peg is snagging the yarn, file it down with an emery board. These are pretty much copies of what I remember of the old cane knitters. These feel sturdy in your hands. I do admit that I don't knit tight, so I haven't had the sensation of a peg becoming loose or breaking. I've made several holiday gnomes and the looms have held up well. Number 1. Frola Knitting Loom Kit. Get ready to explore your creativity with this complete knitting kit. It has everything you need to start crafting beautiful items. This kit includes multiple sized round and long looms, crochet hooks, yarn needles, pom-pom makers, and extra pegs. You'll find all the tools you need to get started. With 6 circular looms ranging from 2 to 11.5 inches, it's perfect for various projects. You can create anything from small coasters to large blankets. 4 rectangular looms in different sizes are included, ideal for scarves, hats, and other long projects. The sizes range from 9.5 to 22 inches. The kit also contains crochet hooks, yarn needles, pom-pom makers, and extra pegs. Easy to follow instructions and online video tutorials make learning a breeze. Unleash your imagination. Use it to knit hats, scarves, blankets, and so much more. Create unique gifts or fun items for yourself. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This kit is perfect for birthdays or holidays. It's a great way to introduce someone to the joy of knitting. What we like. This kit offers a wide variety of loom sizes, both round and long, to suit any project. The extra pegs provide peace of mind, and the detailed instructions make learning a breeze. If you need a kit with all the sizes and tools, this is the one for you. What people say. This is a nice set of knitting looms and accessories, all pieces are intact. It does include separate instructions for the round looms and the straight looms. This is my first time looming. I have already done a baby hat and scarf using the kit. Pom-pom maker is nice add-on. Pegs are well spaced. I ordered this crocheting kit for my 10-year-old niece as a Christmas gift. She loves it. She says it's easy to use. It's for making beanies, scarves, and I believe it somehow makes blankets. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.